Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultra Bright Lights, and I'm excited to tell you we now carry Havis consoles here at ultrabrightlights.com. They come in vehicle specific or universal, and they're available for a wide variety of vehicles. The faceplates are included, so when you check out, use our easy and convenient drop-down menu to select all of the sirens, controllers, radios, etc. that you might be mounting, and you will get the respective faceplates. Additional accessories available, such as this cup holder mount, which you can purchase separately, or something like these 12-volt cigarette lighter plug sockets. Now, if vehicle-specific options are not available for your vehicle, go ahead and consider one of our universal ones, which is just a simple angled console like this, or some of the other options we have available. Now, if you don't know which products you're going to be mounting inside of them, or you have some additional room, there's options such as filler plates, which can be mounted here and just closing up the extra gaps for you. We are now carrying the full line of Havis products, so if there's anything you want that you don't see on our website, be sure to give our sales team a call. And if you have any additional questions, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to our sales team. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.